Okay, so we are going to go to these hands, Mr. Pugalia. Yeah.
This side, that's
Yeah. So come, Mr. Pugalia and yeah. So we have Mr. Pugalia and Mr. Gaurav and
so let's go that side.
Ravi and Ayush. If you could please go and put your hands on the other side. So we are relaunching the Banega Swasth India website. For the past so we have launched you're going to be seeing it very soon. A big round of applause as we launch the second decade of the Banega Swasth India campaign. So it's going to be much easier to find everything, more colorful, more bright. So we've renewed the website again, relaunched kiya, yeah. Gaurav, second decade, a lot more commitment. Of course, that's a launch we just saw. What are your thoughts? How could we take this campaign? I think Sanjay ji, it's a very important question, even further. 10 years is a long time, but if we talk about it, even for the next decade, a lot more responsibility?
Absolutely. I think now that we've achieved 11 years of whatever we've achieved, I think the targets are set even higher. And I think the team here is talking about how do you overachieve in every year, scale new heights, as I said. And for that, one of the examples and how we are taking it forward is through the digital adaptation. I think this is an example of that.
Yeah, using innovation.
The bot is an example of that because that allows you to take it even further. It's easier to go down. You have downloads. In the past, you had books. Yeah. You had to print it, send it. You don't have to do all that.
Yeah.
And therefore, digitally, how you can use digital, the revolution in India, and take it down and get millions and millions of people and children to do it is the way to go.
And I think innovation is really the key right now. Hygiene game tha, hygiene bot, and now with the website as well, we are hoping we can give more and more information so that more and more people can inculcate this in their daily lives, which is extremely important. हम वही सुबह से इसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.